Hello owners and tenants, Brooke here with your July wrap up. A quick tech pit stop. Claire, our AI receptionist, has now clocked 4 weeks on the phones and answers you instantly, 24/7. Meet Jack, rolling out soon. Jack will troubleshoot maintenance before a trade is called out, run a fault check and log the call. Fewer return visits, faster fixes. How's the rental market really tracking? Citywide vacancy has inched up to about 1.6%. Still tight, but no longer suffocating. Our properties spent 24.5 days on the market, while many Canberra listings linger closer to a month. Translation, you're collecting rent sooner. Over the past year, we leased 323 homes and have just 31 on the books at the moment. Proof that well-priced, well-presented properties still fly. Why the tech matters, Claire's instant routing and Jack's preventative maintenance mean fewer bottlenecks and happier human staff, so your calls get real answers, not recorded apologies. Thanks for being part of Distinct. Have questions or ideas? My door is open. I can't wait to show you Jack in action.